The journey of ashes and grace. In a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a humble man named Elias. He was a carpenter, known for his kind heart and strong faith. Every year, as Ash Wednesday approached, he would prepare himself for the sacred season of Lent, a time of fasting, prayer, and deep reflection. This year, however, felt different. Elias had faced many hardships. His wife had fallen ill, and his business was struggling. He had little to offer as alms and even less to eat. As he knelt in prayer at the church, the priest marked his forehead with ashes and whispered, "Remember, you are dust, and to dust you shall return." The words weighed on him, not just as a reminder of mortality, but as a call to surrender everything to God. Determined to fast despite his troubles, Elias gave away what little food he had to a beggar outside the church. That night, hunger gnawed at his stomach, but peace filled his heart. Each day, he continued his sacrifice, praying for strength and trusting that God would provide. One evening, as he walked home from the church, he heard a faint cry from the roadside. Beneath an old olive tree, he found a young boy, shivering and weak. The child had lost his way and had not eaten for days. Though Elias had nothing, he carried the boy home, warmed him by the fire, and gave him the last piece of bread in his house. The next morning, the boy was gone, but in his place was a loaf of warm bread, fresh water, and a pouch of silver coins. Stunned, Elias rushed outside and saw an old man sitting by the church steps. His eyes sparkled with wisdom. "You have fasted not just in body, but in spirit," the old man said. "You gave when you had nothing, and in doing so, you have received more than you could imagine. The Lord provides for those who trust in him." Elias fell to his knees, tears streaming down his face. He had learned that fasting was not just about denying oneself. It was about making room for God's grace, about giving even in the midst of lack. As Lent continued, Elias no longer feared hunger or hardship. He had discovered the true purpose of fasting: to draw closer to God, to trust him fully, and to serve others with love. And from that day forward, Elias never hungered again, because his soul was forever filled. If you like the story, don't forget to share it with your fellows and subscribe to our channel. Thank you